So I'm going to show you how to complete the Webquest. What you see right now is what your screen should kind of look like. I'm the teacher, so it might look a little bit different, but this will give you an idea about what I want you to do. So in the September 26th Wednesday folder, you're going to click on the pink folder, Energy Webquest, and that's where you found this video. And you're going to actually go to the Google Doc. And this is just like activity 2. Everything's on a Google Doc, so everybody should be able to get in. Now, again, mine looks a little bit different because I'm the teacher. Up here, you guys will have, I think, like my document, something like that. And you're just going to click on the Google Doc like you did for activity 2. And this will come up. So it's the Mechanical Energy Webquest. And what you're going to do is go to each website. And if I want you to do something on the website, there'll be like a little arrow next to it. And what I actually want you to do, like fill out on the Google Doc, it'll be highlighted in pink. Okay, so like for the first one, it's called Energy Kids. It says click here to go to the first website. So that's what I'm going to do. It's going to take me to the website. And you're going to have to flip back and forth in between the website and the Google Doc so you know what to do. So I already went to the website, so I'm going to click back to my Google Doc, and I'm going to see what it wants me to do. So it says click Forms of Energy on the right side of the page. And over here on the Google Doc, I tried to add pictures so you kind of know what to look for on the website. So I'm going to go back to the website, find Forms of Energy, which is right here. And actually, it takes you right to that page. So back on the Google Doc, it says, read the introduction under the title, and towards the bottom of the page is a table. So what you're going to do is list each form of potential and kinetic energy and give an example or a fact for each. So I'm going to read this part, what is energy, forms of energy, and here's the table that they're talking about. I do not want you to copy and paste this table. I don't want to read that, and I don't want to know that you can copy and paste. What I do want you to do is write down each one of these types of energy. So chemical energy, mechanical energy, nuclear energy in the right spot, and give me an example. So what I'm going to do is the first one's chemical energy, and it's under potential energy, and I'm going to find an example. And I see that an example here is batteries. Now, you don't have to give an example. It also says that you can give a fact. So I'm going to type in chemical energy, and an example is batteries. Okay, that's all you have to do. And then go on to the next type of energy. Okay, so that's what you have to do for that one. And then it says go to games and activities on the left-hand side of the page. And again, I added a picture to kind of help you. And you're going to find like a little riddle, or you're going to look up a slang word, anything like that. One that you find interesting or maybe that you thought was funny, and you're just going to put it right here. Okay? And then you're going to go on to the next website, and it's the same kind of thing. So look for the pictures on the side. Do exactly what it's telling you to do. This one, you're answering 4 questions. On the last one, you're designing a skate park. So as long as you're filling out this Google Doc as you go along and you're flipping back and forth, you guys should be in good shape. Now, when you're done, you're going to have to submit this. And let's see. I don't have it, but you guys should have a submit button. I can see who submitted it and who hasn't. But you guys will have a submit button somewhere over on the right-hand side here that you can actually submit your Google Docs, so I know that you're done and I can actually grade it. Okay, so this is what you're working on until the end of class. Make sure you get all of it done.